Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, this is me. You know me, Agam Fidos. So today I am going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Last time we learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube, but part 1. But now this is part 2, step 3 and step 4. Okay, let's get started. First, we need to find a white corner. Okay, look. There's a white corner, right? But look, white, orange, green. But look, this is blue and red, so it doesn't match. We need to match those colors, like in the tutorial 1. Okay, so we must turn like F2. So we must turn like F or F2. Okay, I just move like F2. So look, white, orange, green, and green, orange. It does match. So after we match the colors, we need to do the algorithm. So it goes like this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U. Wait. So we must do them R, U, R prime, U. Then here it goes. Now we already put the white corner in the white center. Okay, let's move on to the another corner. Then look, we found it, but it doesn't match. Okay, wait, this go. So we must match those colors. Like I move in F2. Now it does match. White, orange, white, red, blue, and blue, red. Yeah, does match. So you need to move like this. So you must do the algorithm, okay? Like this. Wait. Okay, again. Like this. So you must do the algorithm. But I'm doing in one hand because I'm holding my iPad. It's so hard. You must do the algorithms. Okay. The algorithm is like this. Like you just do R, U, or from U. Just do it. It's okay. I'll do it myself. And you do it all by yourself. Okay, now it does match. Here and here. Okay, so you must find the third white corner and here it is, but it's in the bottom and it really doesn't match and you can't move anything because literally it needs to match. So you must do the algorithms like R U R prime U prime. Okay. Okay, now it moves to the up face. Okay, and you must match those colors. Okay, after you match those colors, you must do the algorithms like this. It moves from the top, so you must do the algorithms 3 times. Now it does match. Okay, so the last corner, we already found it. White, red, green. Now we can't just match, okay? We can't just match because it's on my Rubik's Cube is on the left side and it's so hard to do my Rubik's Cube with you guys. Okay. Especially my dad. I just teach my dad how to solve a Rubik's Cube, but it's so hard. Just like I teach you. Okay. So you must do the algorithm, but rewind. Like this. R U prime R prime. Okay, now it does really match. Look, it really match. I mean, I know you don't understand. I also don't understand how to use those Rubik's cubes because it's so hard to teach you. I already said that. Okay, so the step 3 we already complete this step 3. So now step 4, solve the second layer. Oh, I forgot to tell. This, right? The first layer. Wait, haven't I teach you? Or what? Okay, and this is the second layer, the third layer. The third layer we already solved. So now we need to solve the second layer. The second layer is like this. You need to match this color. Look. Green, red. Oh, look. Green, red. It really does match, but you can't just move to the red piece that has green or red. You can't just move like this. You need to move the other side. Okay? And you must do the algorithms like the left algorithm. Sorry, I forgot to teach you the left algorithm. Sorry. So it moves like this. L prime, U prime, L, U. And you must go to the red centerpiece and you must do the right algorithms. Now it matched. I know you don't understand. Me too, I don't understand. But it's okay. So remember, if you already find if you already find the color that hasn't have the yellow side, we can't just do the second layer but the up face with the yellow side. We can't do that. It's simple. It's like this. You already match, right? And like I said, do not move the side that has the same color. You move to the other side that hasn't the same color. Like this. Okay. You look. Orange, blue. Orange, blue. Remember, opposite. Why we do like this? Because the opposite. Okay? Now we must do the left algorithm and the right algorithms. 1, 2. Okay. And so the last edge. Look. Here it is, but you see there's three yellow edge colors, right? So, and then the bottom has the yellow edge piece. Okay. So we can't just do anything, but I think so. So you must do the algorithms like the right algorithm, like the first algorithm is the right, so and then the second is left, or the first algorithm is the left and the right. I mean, we can just. Okay, so let's just say I move the right algorithm. 1, and then we do the left algorithm. 2. Then look, blue, orange edge piece. Okay. Now do not move because look, blue, red, and blue, red, blue, orange. So it matches because it's the opposite. Okay, now we must free this red and blue edge piece. Okay. So let's get moving. First, we must do the left algorithm 1, then the right algorithm. Okay, now we already free the red blue edge piece. Now we must do the opposite. Okay, there it goes, the opposite. I mean, not like. Okay, so red, blue. So now is the opposite. Okay, so we must do the algorithm. L algorithm. I mean left algorithm, right algorithm. Now we already solved the second layer. Let's check. Okay, this second layer solved. Green second layer solved. Red second layer solved. Blue second layer solved. Orange second layer solved. Thanks to watch my video, and I hope you like it. And remember, if you don't know, you must watch my my channel or the other channels. Okay? And don't forget, like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Remember, I'll kill for those. Hyperfire you.